action. Belt grinders in action. Belt grinders in action. Hey guys and gals of the tubes, so we want to make another one. Can you believe that's going to be one of those pretty soon? So let's check this build out. So this one I have back because the guy I sold it to, these shocks failed on it. So I'm just going to do a manual spring. So I left them on for looks because they're doing absolutely nothing. So I put a spring on the back now to give it good tension, and it's a really beefy spring, so really good tension. You can see that? Very nice. So let's see how this build goes. Yeah, check that fucking shit out. You guys like my welding helmet? Pretty sweet, eh? Time for some welding. Builds go pretty quick. Pretty sweet. It's gonna be pretty cool.
Input! Input! Johnny 5 needs input! Input!
Time for some cutting. We should start. Yeah, it starts pretty good. Yeah! Well, there's the basic frame so far. It's too nice out today, so I'm gonna run to my property. Yeah, I think what's there this morning because they're putting gravel down. I'm just boring watching that shit, so I'm gonna go check it out. I'll do a vid. Yeah, check that shit out.